Sometimes on Instagram, you may comment on a reel or a photo. And afterwards, if you think you want to edit that comment, you can do that. In this video, we'll tell you how to edit any comment on Instagram. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, select any photo or reel. For example, I'm selecting this reel, and after that, I'm commenting on this video. For that, click on this button, and here you can see the option to comment, and after commenting here, I'm clicking on the send button, and that comment is posted. And afterwards, if you think you want to change that, here next to it, you can see the edit option. Click on edit. And here you can see the option to edit this comment. And I'm typing a new comment. After that, I'm clicking on this tick button. When you click on that, the comment will be edited. But one important thing you should notice is that you can do this editing only within a few minutes. Afterwards, you cannot edit it. For example, here you can see all 3 comments are my comments, and in those, only 2 comments show the edit option. In one comment, the edit option is not there because I posted that 51 minutes ago. I think the time limit is 15 minutes. So, if it's after that, you need to delete that comment and post a new one. Anyways, this way you can easily edit Instagram comments. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.